Porter's value chain. Understanding how your company creates value and looking for ways to add more value are critical elements in developing a competitive strategy. Porter's value chain looks at how an organization creates value. How does an organization change business inputs into business outputs in such a way that they have a greater value than the original cost of creating those outputs? For example, manufacturing companies create value by acquiring raw materials and using them to produce a product. The value that's created and captured by a company is the profit margin. The more value an organization creates, the more profitable it's likely to be. And when you provide more value to your customers, you build competitive advantage. Porter's value chain analysis can be used to maximize an organization's margin through the understanding of how value chain activities are performed and interact with each other. The value chain shows an overview of how each activity adds to competitive advantage, emphasizing the link between critical success factors and internal activities. The value chain can be used by management to decide how individual activities might be changed to reduce costs, improving value of the organization's production, leading to increased margins. Primary activities relate directly to the physical creation, sale, maintenance, and support of products or services. Inbound logistics, operations, outbound logistics, marketing and sales, and service. Support activities provide background for the effectiveness of the organization. Firms' infrastructure, human resources management, technological management, and procurement. Inbound logistics is receiving, storing, and handling of raw material. How you get the raw material into the organization. Supplier relationships are a key factor in creating value here. Operations. These are the transformation activities that change inputs into outputs that are sold to customers. Here, your operation systems create value. Outbound logistics is the storing and distribution of finished goods, how you get your products to the customer. Marketing and sales. These are the processes you use to persuade customers to purchase from you instead of from competitors. The benefits you offer and how well you communicate them are sources of value here. Services. These are the activities related to maintaining the value of your product or service to your customers once it's been purchased, such as installation, training, and repair. Firm's infrastructure is how a business is organized. These are a company's support systems and the functions that allow it to maintain daily operations. Human resources management. This is how well a company recruits, hires, trains, motivates, rewards, and retains its employees. People are a significant source of value, so businesses can create a clear advantage with good human resources practices. Technology management. These activities relate to managing and processing information as well as protecting a company's knowledge base, minimizing information technology costs, staying current with technology advances, and maintaining technical excellence are all sources of value creation. Procurement. This is what the organization does to get the resources it needs to operate. This includes finding vendors and negotiating best prices. What Porter's value chain analysis says is how an organization organizes this chain will affect what margin it will make. Suppliers and customers can be added here to create an extended value chain.